Wow, so 2 weeks after normally a very painful operation, and he's walking without his crutches.
I'm amazed how I've recovered. I'm really pleased. Yeah.
Because it's a big operation. And for a lot of people, 6 weeks is severe pain, agony. You had the robotic knee. In fact, you're 150th. Have you been surprised by how your recovery has been?
Yeah, I have. It's obviously painful to start with, but soon the pain wears off, and I've been really amazed how quick the use has come back in the knee.
Okay, great.
And they're able to put weight on, been able to put on weight on it without any pain, really soon.
Yeah, within
3-4 days. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So you're able to walk relatively comfortably within 3-4 days.
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
And your bend is very good at the moment. When did you get that bend?
Almost straight away.
Yeah.
A little bit of pain straightening, but when I came to see the physio a few days after, I already had 95 bend back.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good. Wow. And you had a robotic knee.
Robotic knee.
So your recovery has been exceptional. So far, you're happy with how everything's gone.
Oh, it's been amazing. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, recovery.
Yeah.
Well done.
So pleased I decided to have it done.
Yeah. I mean, you left it for a while, didn't you? For a few years.
Yeah.
But you'd struggled. How long did you struggle with this knee for?
About 4 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what state were you in before the surgery? Pain?
Yeah, pain. Walking on the left-hand side of my knee, it felt as if I was. It got bits of glass in it. It was painful when I moved it. It was really
severe pain.
Yeah.
Waking up at night, or?
Yeah, and you find you toss and turn to get a position where it wasn't so painful.
Giving way, or?
Occasionally. Yeah, okay, not very often, but it sort of clicked and gave away a bit. Yeah.
I know your hobby is restoring sort of minis and stuff, so it was limiting that as well.
It was, which I'm not happy about.
But do you use a jack? Do you use one of those jacks to get under them, or do you?
Oh, we've got a ramp. Put them on.
Oh yeah. Otherwise, it's too hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, well done.